Are you ready to elevate your JavaScript skills from beginner to pro? Today, I'm excited to share with you some powerful tricks that can transform the way you write JavaScript code. Whether you're just starting or have a bit more experience, there's always room for improvement. Let's explore 15 pro tips that will help you code more efficiently and maintainable, especially with the latest ES6 features. To begin with, let's discuss the ternary operator, a compact way to handle conditional assignments. Instead of writing lengthy if else statements, you can use a simple syntax, variable equals condition, followed by question mark value 1 and colon value 2. This allows for a quick and elegant way to assign a value based on a condition. For example, if you wanted to determine if someone is an adult or a minor, rather than using multiple lines of code for an if else statement, you can do it all in one line with the ternary operator. It streamlines your code, but be cautious not to overuse it, as complex nesting can reduce readability. Next, let's explore the spread operator. This handy feature allows you to expand arrays or objects effortlessly. Instead of using object assigned to merge objects, you can use the spread operator, written as 3 dots. This not only leads to more concise code, but also ensures a shallow copy of the original object, which means you're not affecting its original state. Imagine having a person object and an address object. Combining them is as simple as spreading them into a new object. This modern approach improves both clarity and functionality. Another game-changing ES6 feature is the REST parameter. This allows you to gather any remaining arguments passed into a function into an array. It's particularly useful for functions designed to accept a flexible number of parameters. Instead of converting the arguments object into an array manually, you can capture all remaining arguments easily with the REST parameter syntax, 3 dots followed by a variable name. This makes your functions cleaner and easier to work with, enhancing your coding efficiency. Lastly, I encourage you to incorporate these tactics into your practice. Use the ternary operator for conditional assignments, spread operator for object manipulation, and REST parameters for function arguments. By embracing these features, you'll not only write cleaner code, but also significantly improve your coding style. Remember, coding is a continuous journey of learning and adaptation, and with each new trick, you are one step closer to becoming a JavaScript pro. Keep experimenting and enjoy the process of coding.